The iProven Lung Performance Exerciser is a lung training device designed for people with respiratory ailments like COPD and asthma, patients recovering from surgery, and can also be used by sportspersons and musicians. It is beneficial to train and strengthen your lungs, increase their capacity, prevent pulmonary complications, clear mucus, and improve fitness levels. Unlike other breath training devices, the iProven Lung Performance Exerciser can be used not just for inhaling, but also for exhaling exercises. This allows for better training of the inspiratory and expiratory muscles. This is useful for people with breathing difficulties such as shortness of breath, chest infection, and low stamina. The device can be assembled within seconds to be ready to use. Simply attach the mouthpiece to the small opening in the corner. The device is lightweight, easy to use, and easy to clean. Training exercises are included with the device. When you have finished your exercise, store the device with the Inhale label facing upward to let any moisture dry. This device is non-returnable, but refundable. Follow our exercises and improve your health. Visit iProven.com for more training exercises.